What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Gymshark lifting club. We're going to go through an open gym session and we're going to take you with us. Let's go inside. Okay, so we're going to go through a little threes workout now. So we're going to have 3 stations. One person's going to be on the C2 bike doing 20 calories. That's going to be our timer. Other person's going to be max wall balls in that time. And then the other person is going to go through max sled push at 100 kilos. Let's do it. Me and Eddie teaching one of our mates how to muscle up. We took the opportunity because the gym was fairly dead at the beginning of our session to go through the basic progressions and the beginning phases of learning the muscle up. We both have a fairly different technique. Eddie takes more of a calisthenics approach and mine's more CrossFit / gymnastics based, where I get more of a kip swing in there. But in the end, he almost got his muscle up, and he did manage to get over the bar with a thick band, which is pretty good going for his first session. We then started to play around with some of the heavier dumbbells you will have seen on Gymshark Lifting Club's Instagram, the 52 kilo and the 55 kilo dumbbell getting rode away here. From there, we continued to carry on with a bit of a pull session, bodybuilding style. Enjoyed the rest of the tour. So there we have it, went through a little bit of a tour of the Gymshark Lifting Club, hit a pull session and got a HIIT workout in at the end. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content similar to this, maybe not at the same location.